Are you tired of manually moving money around and placing trades every time you get paid? Wish there was a way to make your money work for you without constant intervention? Well, you're in luck because M1 Finance is built for exactly that. It's a platform that makes automated investing and saving incredibly easy. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set it up so you can put your financial life on autopilot and focus on what matters most. Step 1. Setting up automated deposits. First, let's get your money into your M1 account automatically. This is a game changer for building wealth consistently. On your M1 dashboard, look for the Move Money or Transfers section. Select Recurring Transfer. Choose the external bank account you want to pull funds from and the M1 account you want to deposit into, like your M1 Invest account. Pick your desired amount, say $50, $100, or whatever fits your budget. Set the frequency, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and the specific day of the week or month. Review and confirm. It's that simple. Now, your money will be transferred on your chosen schedule without you lifting a finger. Step 2. Activating M1's Auto Invest feature. This is where the real magic happens. M1's Auto Invest feature takes the money you just deposited and automatically invests it according to your M1 pie, your pre-selected portfolio of stocks and ETFs. Go to the Invest or Portfolio tab. Look for the Automation section, which is typically right below your pie chart visualization. Here, you'll see a toggle switch for Auto Invest. Make sure this is turned on. It's usually on by default, but it's always good to double-check. You can also set a minimum cash balance. This means any new deposit or dividend payment will only be invested once the cash in your account exceeds this minimum by at least $25. For most people, leaving this at $0 is the way to go, ensuring all available cash is put to work. How it all works together: dynamic rebalancing. With these two features enabled, your deposits will automatically transfer from your bank and get invested. But there's a unique bonus: dynamic rebalancing. When your money hits your M1 account, the system looks at your portfolio and identifies any slices of your pie that are underweight, meaning they've fallen below their target percentage due to market fluctuations. It then directs the new funds to those underweight slices, bringing your portfolio back in line with your original strategy. It's a smart, tax-efficient way to stay on track. So, you've just automated your entire investing process. Your money gets transferred, and then M1 intelligently invests it for you, all while keeping your portfolio balanced. This system helps you dollar-cost average and removes emotion from your investing decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.